Imagine if you could lock all the people interested in your niche in a giant cage and force them to watch your videos, feeding them scraps of meat now and then. Well, you can't, because it's illegal apparently. I mean, who knew? What you can do, which comes a close second to this, is to use a website to grow your YouTube channel by building a captive audience. This will get you more views and more extended views at that too. A website is something totally under your control, and it's all about you. This means your viewers will have no distractions to the point where they're in a digital content cage. So, here's how to get more views of your YouTube videos using a website. Number 1, SEO. Getting your content to rank number 1 for a search term in Google is like winning gold at the Olympics when it comes to distribution. This means getting to the top spot for things people search and care about, not getting to the top of gobbledygook. So, ranking number 1 for YouTube channel growth would for us be like winning the 100-meter finals. Ranking for YouTube channel Mango Party, still a gold because we ranked, but more like a gold in badminton. Claiming the top spot all starts with a topic and title. We've made a video all about it, which we'll put at the end of this video to teach you more, and I'm sorry if you like badminton. If you want to make your video on the said topic, upload to YouTube, write it up and create a blog post, and then submit to Google. Then, using all your other social media platforms, remarketing and the tactics we've discussed in the rest of this series, drive people to this page. You'll get more views of your YouTube video, more targeted views because only the people who care about it will see it, and more extended views because there are fewer distractions on your website. This will then start to send all the right signals to Google. Then, as people start to share it and link back to it, you'll march up the ranks of Google. Easy. Okay, it's simple in theory. The reality is this will take a lot of time and effort, and it's a marathon, not a sprint. You can see some examples where we have done just this. Look just how many people are finding this video on Google than anywhere else. If we'd not used this blog post method, then it would never have ranked, wouldn't be pushing our channel minutes and subscribers, and we'd be missing out. On top of that, once the blog ranked on Google, it moved the video to rank on YouTube as well. They work together in perfect harmony. You only need one page to rank for a highly searched term, and with the right end screen strategy in place, you'll be laughing. Number 2, end screens. End screens can be seen as a bad thing as they will take people away from your website when clicked on. If YouTube is your primary goal, then don't worry. Make sure you take people on a content journey across your channel if needs be. As long as your end screens are relevant and you point the viewer towards the next video in the series, you'll get more channel views, watch time, and your viewer will love you for it. Number 3, multi-video blog posts. Let's say you've been busy beavering away on your YouTube and you've covered a topic in detail over 8 different videos. Your blog post stands a lot more chance of getting shared and ranked on Google the more depth they go into. Take your entire series, write it up, and create an ultimate guide blog post. Use all the videos in the order you originally intended people to watch them to create an epic piece of content people will want to show their friends. It's a simple way to make something incredibly valuable out of the work you've already done. You could even use it to build your email list. Make sure you subscribe to learn more about that in the next video of the series. Number 4, playlists. If you've been watching our other videos, then you'll know how great playlists can be. Here's another superb use of them. You can add them to your blog post or even create separate playlist pages on your website. Each playlist is a series your viewers will appreciate, so they learn in the order of 1, 2, 3, 4, not 1, 4, 9, 8. Not only that, if you want to beef it up a little, you can add other people's videos to your playlist, so you don't even have to make all the content yourself. As long as it fits in with your channel topic or playlist topic, then it will keep people on your site watching longer. Another fantastic thing about this is, even if your viewers watches someone else's content in your playlist, YouTube still gives you the benefits as you're keeping them on the platform, and YouTube loves it when people hang about. Number 5, sharing. You can share the website/blog post on all of them to drive more traffic, views, and help get your blog ranking. You'll know how to do that correctly from the other videos in the series. If you don't, check out the playlist at the end to learn more and subscribe. Number 6, email capture. If you want full control of how many people get notifications when you release your latest video, then no other platform will enable you to do this like email. Putting a sign-up form on your blogs and website will mean people can opt in to receiving all of your latest releases when they happen. When you subscribe to a channel on YouTube, unless you hit the bell sign, your subscribers won't get a notification when you release new videos. With email, 100% of the people on your list will receive your update. It's a multi-channel approach to ensure more views. Websites are crucial for growing your channel. If you don't know how to make one, then give up. I'm only kidding. Sites like Wix or Squarespace or Builderall give you the ability to make them fast. Otherwise, check out WordPress. It's free and something mad like 30% of all websites are built on it. If you want to know more about growing your channel, then watch this playlist here. I put it in front of my face to learn how to promote videos on multiple channels, and this video here to learn more about using end screens. Oh, and subscribe to get our regular updates and ensure your channel growth doesn't stagnate. Right, I better go and feed the people locked in the cage.